Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can actually make an intro using Filmora for your YouTube channel. So first of all guys, what I needed to do is of course having Filmora in your PC, and then what I needed to do is choose this white screen for this YouTube intro that we are going to make. Now, you need to go here and make sure that you are connected to your account, and then go here and create a new project. So let's go ahead and create a new project. And now, what I'm going to do is drag any kind, for example, of videos that I will use. So, for example, this one here, and I can use also some audio file. So let's add, for example, okay, for example, this one for like an audio, and we can actually make a text like for your name, which is I'm going to use this really cool effect that Filmora actually gives you, which is the game UI setback title 02. So I'm going to drag it over here, and as you can see now here, what I'm going to do is change this to my name. So for example, I will name it Lodi. Welcome to my channel, and just like so, I can, like, for example, add a blending mode, add a shadow, you can rotate it, do whatever you like, you can animate this text. So let's make it something like so, and let's edit this as well, so it will be something like that. Maybe something like so can be useful as well. Okay, this looks actually dope. Now, as you can see, we can add more um, like a more like an audio behind it. So here, when the text will be written, I want to add like an audio file, which is okay. That looks good as well. So we can add it here, and just like that, I have to drag this like so, this as well, and this is the tutorial that we have by the end. So this is how you can make an intro using Filmora. So thanks a lot guys for watching, and see you in the next video.